Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to create a basic weapon which shoots bullets in Unity. So for this today's tutorial we are going to use some free assets. I'll give you the link in description down below. You can download the assets from there. It's available for free in the Unity Assets store. So let's just open this folder, the low poly weapons, and just drag and drop the models into a scene. Let's just select any one of these weapons. You can select whatever weapon you want. I'll just select this and drag it into our scene. And after dragging it into our scene, just let's drag it into a player capsule. Just like that. Let's drag it into a player capsule. Here I am using the free Unity template, FPS template. You can use whatever template you want or your own FPS game. And let's just adjust the position of the weapon so that it will properly be visible into our game. So let's just play with the values a little bit and just see what fits the best. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more such tutorials. Let's just adjust this and see. Yes, let's just move it a little bit. And after this, let's just add the textures to it. And now you can see the textures have been added. The weapon looks pretty good right now. So let's just move it a little bit on the left side so it's properly visible and gives us the feel. So just move it a little bit, and I think this would be good. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a script to it, add the weapon script just like that. I will give you the code for the weapon script in description down below. You can just copy and paste it in your own game and the script will be working. So after adding the script to the weapon, what you need to do is you need to create an empty game object and name it bullet spawn. So this will be the position from where the bullet will be instantiated. We are not going to use the raycast method in this tutorial. We are going to instantiate new bullets whenever the player hits the left mouse button. So let's just adjust the position of the bullet spawn into a game. So let's just adjust this at the tip of our gun so that the bullet is instantiated from there. So just play with the values a little bit, move this a little bit, and just adjust it right on the tip of the gun. And let after that create a 3d capsule 3d capsule. This will be a bullet, so just position it little bit smaller. We are going to keep this very small. Let's just play with the values and see what fits best. After adjusting the bullet, let's just add rigid body component to it so that we can apply the physics to it. After adding the rigid body components, we are going to make some changes. Make the interpolate and the collision detection to continuous dynamic. And we're going to freeze the rotation for X and Y axis because we don't want the bullet to rotate. And after doing so, let's just rename the capsule to bullet. After doing this, let's just add another component to it, and for the sake of the bullet being visible, let's just add trail renderer to it. Just like that, we are going to add trail renderer to it. Just reduce the width of it and add some material to it so that it is visible nicely and properly. I'm going to add the particle material in here, so the windows are not visible here. And just like that, I've added the particle material over here. And what we're going to do is make the bullet a prefab. So just drag the bullet model into the prefab and it will be a prefab right now. So at last, what we are going to do is, here we can see the two empty columns. We are just going to initialize them with the game object and the values. Drag the bullet spawn into the bullet spawn and the bullet prefab into the bullet. So just like that. After doing all this, let's just hit a play button and see if this thing is working or not. As you can see, our game has been started. and the weapon is being shooted, but the bullets are moving pretty slow. This is because our bullet velocity is very low, 30. So just let's increase this a little bit and just see how it works right now. So this will work fine. Very basic way to create bullets in Unity. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to our channel if this tutorial helps you. See you again in the next video.